Imagine an aircraft so legendary, so iconic, that it has served its country for nearly 7 decades, adapting to new technologies, enduring through wars, and standing as a symbol of military might. That aircraft is the B-52 Stratofortress, a behemoth that has become synonymous with the U.S. Air Force. But as incredible as this aircraft is, even legends need upgrades to keep up with the changing tides of aviation. Enter the new B-52 engines, an upgrade that promises not only to extend the life of this historic bomber, but also to revolutionize the entire aviation industry. In today's video, we're diving deep into how these new engines are set to redefine not just the B-52, but potentially the future of aviation as we know it. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a history buff, or simply curious about the future of flight, the legacy of the B-52. The B-52 Stratofortress first took to the skies in 1952, a time when aviation technology was rapidly advancing. Designed during the Cold War, it was built to deliver nuclear payloads across vast distances, ensuring that the United States could strike back in the event of an attack. But the B-52 quickly proved its versatility. From high-altitude bombing runs in Vietnam to supporting ground troops in the Middle East, this aircraft has seen it all. What's truly remarkable about the B-52 is its longevity. While most aircraft are retired after a few decades of service, the B-52 has defied the odds thanks to a series of upgrades and modifications that have kept it relevant. But even the most enduring aircraft eventually face the limitations of their original design. The B-52 engines, though powerful in their time, are outdated by today's standards. And that's where the new engine program comes in. The need for new engines. Why does the B-52 need new engines? The answer is simple: efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. The current engines, the Pratt & Whitney TF-33, have served well, but they were designed in the 1960s. As you can imagine, they're not exactly cutting edge anymore. These engines are less fuel efficient, more expensive to maintain, and increasingly difficult to support as parts become scarce. In today's world, where efficiency and sustainability are paramount, the B-52 old engines are holding it back. The new engines promise to address these issues head-on. But this isn't just about keeping an old aircraft in the sky. It's about transforming it into something that can compete with modern technology, potentially even surpassing it in some areas. The new engines, a game changer. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the new engines. The U.S. Air Force has chosen Rolls-Royce's F-130 engine to power the B-52 for the next several decades. This is a massive upgrade, one that promises to enhance the B-52 performance across the board. First off, the F-130 engines are far more fuel efficient than the TF-33s. This means the B-52 will be able to fly longer missions without refueling, a critical advantage in both combat and peacetime operations. Fuel efficiency also means lower operational costs, a win for taxpayers and the military budget alike. But it's not just about saving money. These engines will also increase the reliability of the B-52. The F-130s are designed with the latest technology, making them more dependable and easier to maintain. This means fewer unexpected failures, less downtime, and a higher mission success rate. And let's not forget about sustainability. The aviation industry is under immense pressure to reduce its carbon footprint, and military aviation is no exception. The new engines are designed to be more environmentally friendly, producing fewer emissions than their predecessors. Industry-wide implications. But what does this mean for the broader aviation industry? The introduction of these new engines on a platform as iconic as the B-52 sends a powerful message. Innovation is essential even for the most established aircraft. This could be the spark that ignites a wave of engine upgrades across the industry, from military to commercial aviation. Manufacturers will likely take notice of the success of the B-52 new engines and consider similar upgrades for other aircraft. This could lead to a new era of retrofitting older planes with modern engines, extending their service life, reducing costs, and improving environmental performance. Moreover, the development and implementation of the F-130 engines could accelerate advancements in engine technology overall. As manufacturers and engineers push the boundaries of what these engines can do, we could see innovations that trickle down to the commercial sector. leading to more efficient, reliable, and sustainable air travel for everyone. The future of the B-52 in aviation. So what's next for the B-52? With these new engines, the aircraft is set to continue its service well into the 2050s, maybe even longer. This means the B-52 will likely surpass a century of service, a milestone unheard of in aviation history. But more than that, the B-52 will serve as a symbol of how legacy technology can be adapted and modernized to meet the needs of the future. It's a reminder that sometimes the best way forward is to build on the past, combining tried-and-true designs with cutting-edge advancements. The B-52 new engines are not just an upgrade, they're a statement that the aviation industry is constantly evolving, and that even the most venerable aircraft can play a role in shaping its future. The new B-52 engines are set to change the aviation industry in profound ways. By improving efficiency, reliability, and sustainability, they ensure that the B-52 will continue to be a force to be reckoned with. But beyond that, they represent a broader trend towards innovation and modernization in aviation, one that could lead to significant advancements across the entire industry. So the next time you see a B-52 soaring through the skies, remember, it's not just a relic of the past, it's a glimpse into the future of aviation.